Dear student, in this video class, we understand the soil. So, what is soil? Soil means the uppermost layer of the earth crust, which contains the organic as well as mineral matter necessary for the growth of plants. Pedology is the subject deals with the study of soil. Right. So here we understood the soil. Right. Now we understood how is soil formed. Soil is mainly formed by the breakdown of bigger rocks into smaller and fine particles with the continuous action of wind, right? Rain and other agent of natural force. It takes hundreds to thousands of years for the formation of soil, right? Now we understand what are the basic components of soil. The basic components of soils are air, water, minerals and other organic matter are as the basic component of the soil. In this pie chart we observe here. Now what is soil profile? The soil is the topmost layer of the earth crust, mainly composed of organic minerals and rocks particles that support life. A soil profile is a vertical cross section of the soil made of layers running parallel to the surface. These layers are known as soil horizon, right? So here we understood the soil profile. Now we understood another things of the soil profile related, that is the soil is arranged in the layers or horizon during the formation. These layers or horizons are known as the soil profile. It is the vertical section of the soil that is exposed by the soil pit. The layers of the soil can easily be identified by the soil color and size of soil particle. These different layers of soils are topsoil, subsoil and parent rocks, right? We understand what are the horizons of soil. The soil profiles are composed of a series of horizons or layers of soil which are stacked one above the other. The 5 horizons of soils are: number 1, the O horizon; number 2, the A horizon; number 3, the B horizon; number 4, the C horizon; number 5, the R horizon, right? Now we will understand soil moisture. Water in the soil is referred to as soil moisture. Water absorption in the soil is determined by various factors. It plays a major role in soil formation. As a result of precipitation, water arrives at the surface. The particle size distribution of soil determines its porous nature and causes downward movement of water vertically, which is known as infiltration. This penetration continues deep in the layers of soil until it reaches saturation, right? Now here we understood. Dear student, here we knew about the list out the different types of soil moisture. The different types of water present in the soil include: number 1, capillary water; number 2, hydroscopic water; number 3, gravitational water; number 4, atmospheric humidity; number 5, chemically combined water. Dear student, now we will understand the importance of soil moisture content. Number 1, soil water carries food nutrient for the growth of plants. Number 2, soil moisture content determines the yield of the crops in a region. Number 3, crucial in maintaining soil temperature. Number 4, soil moisture act as nutrient. Number 5, important for soil formation. Number 6, moist soil is ideal for the growth of many plants that demand a huge supply of water, like rice. Number 7, soil moisture catalyzes biological activities of microbes in the soil. Number 8, water is a primary need for the photosynthesis in plants. I hope you understood the all things related soil. Thank you for watching.